Good morning. My name is Pamela, and thank you for allowing me the time to do a self-evaluation of my soft skills in preparation for my annual performance review. We have 6 soft skills that we were asked to evaluate ourselves on, and I added 2 as well. I'll start with the 2 that I added. The first one being flexibility. I believe that I have a very strong sense of flexibility and that is needed for the position because our appointments are not always home visits. Sometimes they're hybrid appointments. I can develop that skill more by studying up on the leadership skills that I have that encourage flexibility. I do tend to like my appointments to just be home visits, but we have to remember what's correct for the consumer. The second soft skill that I added that I'd like to self-evaluate myself on is dependability and punctuality. I'm going to give myself a 3 on that one. I do need continuing improvement in encouraging the clients to keep their appointments. That is part of the sustainability and self-sufficiency that we're trying to get them to achieve. The next soft skill is communication. I'm going to give myself a 5 on that. I'm very particular about returning emails and communications on time. I believe that that connects us as a team. The next soft skill is critical thinking. I'm going to give myself a 3 on critical thinking. I need to practice more of discerning what case support is needed, and I can improve on that skill. And the way I plan to do that is by attending workshops and helping us to discern when we can recognize trauma and what those triggers might be. Leadership is the next soft skill. I'm going to give myself a 1 on that. I did take it upon myself to design a training manual for our team. I'm always considered myself a team leader. I have that position now. I've been promoted recently to that position. But I'm going to practice and maintain those leadership skills by doing more projects. I enjoyed when I came up with the summer camp that year, the first year that we had COVID. I'm going to engage in and try to lead up and head more projects like that. Positive attitude. I try to take on extra admin duties, and that requires a positive attitude because no one on our team likes to do the paperwork portion of the job, but I try to do that in a timely manner. Going to give myself a 5 on positive attitude and teamwork. Those two kind of go together. And I'm also going to give myself a 5 on work ethic. No caseworker complaints in the time that I've been there, no write-ups. I believe that a strong work ethic is key because we are working to help our clients become self-sufficient, and if we're not on top of what we're doing, that's not going to help them. So I'm hoping that this self-evaluation will be taken in the spirit of honesty that it was given in. Thank you very much.